Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to fix a corrupted C drive on Windows, one of the scariest things that can happen to your PC. Don't panic though, because there are several ways to fix this and we're going to go through all of them step by step. Let's get into it. Before we start fixing things, let's quickly go over the symptoms so you know what you're dealing with. Getting error messages like drive is not accessible, or disk structure is corrupted and unreadable, or Windows telling you the drive needs to be formatted before you can use it. If you're experiencing any of these, your C drive likely has some level of corruption, and the fixes below should sort it out. Before you try any fix, this is the most critical step. If your PC can still boot, back up everything important right now. Documents, photos, videos, anything you can't afford to lose. Copy them to an external hard drive, USB stick, or upload them to Google Drive or OneDrive. Some repair methods can cause data loss, so always protect your files first. If your PC won't boot at all and you can't access your files, skip ahead to Fix 4, which covers how to handle that situation. This is the easiest fix and the best place to start. Press Windows and E at the same time to open File Explorer. On the left side, find this PC and right-click on your C drive. Select Properties, then click on the Tools tab. Under the Error Checking section, click the Check button, then click Scan and Repair Drive. Windows will scan your C drive for file system errors and automatically fix any it finds. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to over an hour depending on the size of your drive and how many errors there are. Once it's done, restart your PC and see if the issue is resolved. By the way, I've written a detailed article with images for each step on my website. Link is in the description if you prefer reading. If the error checking tool didn't fully fix things, CHKDSK is the more powerful version of the same thing. Click the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. Type CHKDSK C:/F/R and hit Enter. The /F flag tells it to fix any errors it finds, and the /R flag tells it to scan for bad sectors and recover any readable data from them. Windows will tell you it can't run the scan while the drive is in use and ask if you want to schedule it for the next restart. Type Y and hit Enter, then restart your PC. CHKDSK will run automatically before Windows loads and repair everything it can. This is one of the most effective fixes available, so give it time to complete fully. If CHKDSK didn't fully solve it, the corruption might be in your Windows system files specifically. For this, we use two built-in tools, SFC and DISM. Open Command Prompt as administrator again. First type SFC/scan now and hit Enter. This scans all protected Windows system files and automatically replaces corrupted ones with cached clean versions. Let it run all the way to 100%. It can take a while, so be patient. Once SFC finishes, run DISM next by typing DISM online/cleanupimage/restore health and hitting Enter. DISM goes even deeper and downloads replacement files directly from Windows Update servers if needed. Once both scans are done, restart your PC and test if everything is working normally again. If your PC won't even start up, you need to boot from a Windows installation USB drive to access repair tools. If you don't have one, use another computer to download the Windows Media Creation tool from Microsoft's website and create a bootable USB. Plug it into your broken PC and restart while pressing F2, F12, or Delete, whichever key opens your boot menu, and select the USB drive to boot from. Once it loads, select your language and click Next. Instead of clicking Install Now, look for the option that says Repair Your Computer at the bottom left. Go to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. From there, you have several powerful options. System Restore lets you roll back Windows to an earlier point before the corruption happened. Startup Repair automatically detects and fixes boot issues. And Command Prompt lets you run CHKDSK, SFC, and DISM manually from outside of Windows, which is actually more effective than running them while Windows is loaded. Sometimes, C drive corruption is caused by viruses or malware that have been quietly corrupting system files in the background. If your PC can boot, open Windows Security from the Start menu and run a full scan, not a quick scan. Let it scan everything thoroughly and remove anything it finds. If you want a second opinion, download Malware Bytes, which is free and excellent at catching things Windows Defender misses. Run both scans, remove all threats, restart your PC, and then go back and run CHKDSK and SFC again. This combination fixes a lot of cases where corruption keeps coming back. If you've tried everything and the C drive is still corrupted, reinstalling Windows is your last option. The good news is, Windows gives you two choices here. The first is Reset This PC, which keeps your personal files but reinstalls Windows fresh. Go to Settings, then System, then Recovery, and click Reset This PC. Then choose Keep My Files. This fixes the most stubborn corruption issues without wiping everything. The other option is a completely clean install using a Windows USB, which wipes the entire C drive and starts completely fresh. This is the nuclear option, and it will delete everything. Only go this route if you've backed up your data and nothing else has worked. After either of these, your PC should be running like new. A few things to help prevent this from happening again. Never force shut down your PC by holding the power button unless it's completely frozen. Abrupt shutdowns are one of the leading causes of drive corruption. Make sure Windows is always up to date because updates include important fixes for file system bugs. Run a malware scan regularly, and consider setting up automatic backups using Windows Backup or a free tool like Macrium Reflect, so even in the worst case scenario, your data is always protected. And that's it. 6 solid ways to fix a corrupted C drive from easiest to most advanced. Work through them in order, and one of them will almost certainly get you back up and running. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more Windows tips. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.